My name is Valerie, and I'm head of data science in Manita.ai and data science team lead at Yandex. And right now we're at Yandex, and you can see a waiter behind myself. So he is waiting for a new course, tips and tricks in Python for machine learning, and it's a great one. In this course, we'll talk about feature engineering, we'll talk about ensembling and blending, we'll talk about recommender system, and also we'll talk how to improve your overall model robustness and how to select features, how to make a great model overall. So if you're interested in machine learning, if you are interested in a Kaggle, for example, or any other kind of machine learning competition, this is a course you should look for.
So let's go through the section we'll cover in this course. The first section is improving your models using feature engineering. It's a pretty basic thing, but by itself can improve your overall result just by a huge margin, improving your features. In the second section, we'll talk about feature improving with nonlinear classification techniques and with dimension reduction, from the basic one to the autoencoders from deep learning. In the third section, we'll use the power of ensemble learning with Python. So we'll talk about more advanced techniques like blending and stacking. In the fourth section, we'll train your model to adapt to new changes using recommender systems. And we'll cover a basic one from the collaborative filtering to matrix factorization to libfm, and one of the newest library in Python is word-batch. And in the last section, we'll boost your overall model robustness using a different technique from the k-fold validation and regularization to the more advanced one.
And I hope you will enjoy it. So, see you in the course.